gears is made from HSS and the rigidity varies from the hole saw has a twist drill bit inside, which is undetachable. Sharp gears and anti-cutting with lower consumption make the product a long service life. Carbide teeth for fast cutting of clean, round holes. Suitable for handheld electric drill, stand motor-driven drilling machine and mobile ribbon-type magnetism drilling machine. Cuts quick, precise holes in stainless steel, mild steel, iron, copper and brass. Can drill about 20 mm depth for the wood, and can drill about 5 mm for the stainless steel. Each edge is a part of the characteristics of the cutting work. Making the hole is not easy to produce the phenomenon of collapse. The stainless steel plate, steel, casting, aluminum alloy, iron and other kinds of metal plate drilling, chip removal, with excellent performance, sharp edge, wear resistant.